Yo, what is up, guys? So today we're going to do something a bit of a challenge. I'm actually going to disassemble my Glock 19 whilst I'm actually blindfolded. But first of all, I'm going to do it whilst my eyes is actually open. Then after, I'll do the final one, the one that I'm actually blindfolded. So let's get started. Three, two, one, go. Done. Reassembling. Three, two, one, go. Done. Alright, so I'm going to do the final one, the one that I'm actually blindfolded. Now, for me to prove to you guys that you can't actually see through this thing. So I'm going to use it to cover my eyes. Then I'll do it whilst I'm actually blindfolded. So let's get started. Let me put on this thing. Guys, I can't see through this. Don't go in the comment section and see that I can actually see through this. I can't. Alright, so you can't see through it at all. So you guys can see my eyes are actually closed. Can't see anything. So let's disassemble it. 3, 2, 1, go. Done. Now I'm going to reassemble it. 3, 2, 1, go. Done. Now that one took me a bit longer, but let's say on a battlefield situation, assuming something has happened to your eyes and you can't see, you should be able to reassemble your gun and disassemble it, just like the way I did mine. So that's what I have for you guys today. Let me know any challenge that you want me to do next. Let me know down in the comment section down below, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye.